Once upon a time, in a bright, colourful town called Sunnytown, a group of best friends Dela, Boba, Flo, and Kiko loved to play outside under the big blue sky. They raced by the sparkling river, climbed the tallest trees, and watched the butterflies dance from flower to flower. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, for everyday joyful and adventurous stories. One day, while playing in the meadow, they noticed something sad. The river wasn't sparkling as much anymore. Some trees looked sick, and there were bits of trash along the paths. The butterflies didn't seem as happy either. Dela frowned. "What's happening to our beautiful Sunnytown?" she asked. Just then, a friendly wise owl named Oliver swooped down from the trees. "Sunnytown is losing its magic because people are not taking care of it," Oliver said. "But you can help. You can become green guardians." The kids' eyes lit up. "What can we do?" asked Boba. Oliver smiled. "Here's your mission. Pick up litter and never throw trash on the ground. Plant trees and flowers to make homes for birds, bees, and butterflies. Save water by turning off taps tightly and collecting rainwater for the garden. Use eco-friendly things like cloth bags instead of plastic and reusable water bottles. Walk, bike, or carpool instead of using cars all the time. Tell others how to protect our planet too." The kids nodded excitedly and started right away. They picked up trash, planted bright sunflowers and shady oaks, made signs that said, "Save water and love our earth," and even made a special eco-club at school to teach others. Little by little, Sunnytown began to sparkle again. The river danced in the sunlight, the trees grew strong and tall, and the butterflies returned, fluttering around the blooming flowers. Oliver returned with a proud hoot. "You did it, Green Guardians! Sunnytown is happy again because of your care and love." And from that day on, Dela, Boba, Flo, and Kiko promised to always protect their beautiful planet. And they taught everyone they met how to be Green Guardians too.